Hey team, thanks again so much for being willing to help with the grading of some of these speaking tests and being on board with all of this discussion. I think it's going to be really great for our students. I want to show you real fast how you're going to be grading once you have students doing the discussion. So you're going to go into my classroom. You should all be co-teachers, 6 ELA. Go to classwork, and you're going to find the FSA assignment. Go to view assignment. And then once you're there, you can choose whichever student you're grading at the time. So let's say you're grading for Angel. And then as he's speaking, you're just going to choose on the rubric his score. You can expand the criterion to see what exactly I'm saying and what feedback they're going to get. So for enunciation, could we understand what you were saying? Yes or no, 1 point or 0 points. Building other people's ideas. Did you build on your teammates' ideas in a way that makes sense? Yes, 2 points, kind of 1 point, no, 0 points. So you're literally just going to go through and click, 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 and that will put in the grade. I'm then going to grade their reflection and combine those two scores together in order to give them the overall FSA grade. So you only have to worry about this part during the speaking. You also will only be doing this for maximum 6 students at a time, because they're the ones having the discussion, while other people will be just writing down their ideas and reflections. So hopefully this is manageable. Let me know if you have any concerns about it.